We're walking.
We're walking on the bridge. It's scary. See, look down there. It's scary.
Look down, Rachel.
I'm making a video. You must make sacrifices for art. Oh geez, okay, we're good. We're good.
Alright.
Hey. Pardon the heavy breathing, we just walked up a crap load of steps. Don't stop, I'm on a roll!
Actually, you're on the train track.
Shut up!
Okay, now look that way. And look that way. This was flooded. Bad.
Really bad.
Really bad. I have an actual video of it. It's on Facebook. So if you're my friend and you're watching this, go to Facebook and watch my video. Because I do not have a YouTube.
You should get one.
Yeah, you really should. Let's go. Or give me a video on YouTube like Kara.
Yeah. This is Kara's. I have permission.
We're going to throw a rock.
Oh, give me one.
Which side? Down the dam or down the river? Down the dam. Okay. Nika's first.
Okay, I'm watching.
Who throws it the farthest? Don't fall. I'll try not to. Okay.
Oh geez, oh geez, oh geez. I'm watching. Woo! That was a long way.
Kara's turn. Okay. Kara is going to stay right here so she doesn't fall.
Yeah, good job. Good job.
And watch it hit, it bounces back into my face. But then how many hits would we get that way? Anyway, here we go.
Okay, so
That was pretty bad.
So far, mine's the longest. Now, Rachel. You ready?
Yep, we're ready. I think Anika won because it's
I think so too.
Yeah.
Mostly because I actually went over there, maybe.
Winner! Woo! We're walking.
We are walking. I'm gonna fall if I
And the view is lovely from back here. Yes, sexy.
Not so much.
Put your ass to the floor. You scared? You scared? I'm just playing. Oh,
Go over there to where the family is.
family. Hi, family.
Okay. And that right there, completely flooded.
Yeah. See, water line? There. Water line? There. Flooded.
Completely
Wow.
flooded.
That's kind of sad.
Yeah.
And I wanted so bad to get in it.
I'm afraid if I try to take it away, I wouldn't do that.
Just keep swimming.
Yeah, if I hear a train track, I'm booking it.
Alright, that's fine. Don't drop my camera.
Okay.
Where are you gonna book it to?
I don't know.
Just stairs right there, I think.
Oh, no, no stairs.
Oh.
Not into this water.
Would you jump into the water?
I wouldn't. I'd probably drown.
I guess I'd nose dive into the gravel. I don't know.
Now we're close to the end. Now, see, all you gotta do is run and then
Like, jump over there and you're fine.
and if you were Spider-Man, you could just jump right there.
Well, I tain't Spider-Man.
Spider-Woman?
Not her either. Although that would be freaking sweet. Rock, Kara.
Where are we going?
Oh no.
We're going on the Greenway?
Yeah?
Okay.
But we need to find the loo soon.
Alright.
That's the end of the walkway.
Great, great, great.
do I just squat? Then we can pause the video.
How about not?
You want us to pause it? But they were
How about not squat?
We're pausing. And then everybody, oh my God, he's going to the bathroom because he was pausing with that.
1,000,000 views in an hour.
Everybody, thank
Hey.
you, Rachel. Thank you for getting through one of her videos.
I just exposed myself to the world. It's worth it.
I'm gonna stop because I'm a little ahead of y'all.
Drinking that Gatorade or whatever that is.
It's hot out here.
Powerade.
Have y'all noticed that? It's kind of hot.
Yes, I have
And
noticed.
humid. It's really
I'm
humid.
going to feel humid. That's not hot. It's just humid.
It's humid.
Sweating like a cat in a room full of rocking chairs.
Never heard that before.
For real? You never heard
I've
that?
never heard that.
She's never heard that.
And say if you haven't heard that, comment so she won't feel alone.
Yeah, if you haven't heard that, comment.
Whatever the heck.
Yes,
So-
Mary betrayed me.
Kara doesn't feel alone.
Never.
Sweating like a cat in a room full of rocking chairs. Okay? Okay.
I haven't heard that. So you don't have to put
Yes.
that.
Yes. I'm a rock. Mika, will you be my rock?
I'll be a rock. No, only
We have a rock marriage going on here, ladies and gentlemen.
Isn't it awesome?
Rachel, will you be my rock?
I will be your rock, Kara. Yay!
Thanks.
Would you be my rock, Kara?
That's my rock.
Okay, okay, fine.
Oh no, we're re-gifting rocks.
Okay.
Drama.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Would you be my tree? There you go.
I can't take it home. I'm technically
She
not
must have
choice.
something tangible.
The city of mm-ms.
Okay.
Would you like us to stop and get a rock? No, because it might be poison ivy.
Now everyone's gonna be
You got a
wondering what the
rock right
beep
there.
was.
My rock.
Dude, there's a tree on this trail. It looks like a penis.
I will be your rock.
I'm serious.
Rachel?
Don't you remember? We were up here for our pictures with Kayla Holt.
Yeah.
There's a tree that looked like a penis, I swear. Penis tree. My bad. You should name the video Penis Tree.
Okay, we do
The
that.
video's gonna be named Penis Tree. Courtesy of Rachel.
Window? Window.
The Penis Tree window.
Video. Oh, Lord. I am.
We're gonna get a picture of Kara licking the tree.
No. No, thank you. You're not want to lick the tree. You're not want to hug the tree either. I want to drop my drink.
Nice job. Ace.
I still have my rock.
I still have mine.
Still have your rock. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in a window, and you know the shadow boxes. Be like, I am Nika's rock.
And I am Kara's.
I'm curious too.
Rachel's rock.
I need a rock.
You do.
I need a rock. Find a rock.
Find a rock.
I'm looking for a rock.
Find a rock.
I need a good rock.
Oh. that's
These
fine.
are crappy rocks.
You can point down the.
Yeah, you can't
Look at the
just
rocks.
show them the rocks.
Rocks. Rocks.
Rachel,
What?
find your rock.
Rock. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna carry that one.
She would have to be the one carrying it because it's,
Oh yeah.
it's her rock.
Rock. Will you be my rock?
I will.
Mossy and all.
I will be your dirty rock.
Yay. Just
Not
kidding.
that
Kara's my dirty rock. I feel special.
That's a little weird.
Kara's my plain rock.
I hope there's no critters. Oh, I think I just got into that spider web. But I hope there's no critters on this rock.
That'd be funny.
I get home and there'll be a critter on the rock.
Yeah.
My grandma will be like, what?
Work it.
So why did you bring critters into my rock?
Work that butt, Anika. Work it.
You better.
Work it, girl. Smile for the camera. Choke on saliva.
That's very clever, girl.
No, we're moving you to Maybelline. No thanks.